My name is Walter Unglaub, and this is how to tell if slopes are parallel. Well, in asking this question, what we're really trying to ask is if two given lines on a plane, such as the xy plane, are parallel. And in order to determine that, we need to compute their slopes. And if the slopes that we compute for line 1 and line 2 are equal, then indeed the two lines are parallel. In order to determine this, however, we need at least 2 points of data for each line. So, for line 1, say we have a point here, A, and another point here, B, and we know that the coordinate for point A is given as 2, 1, and for B, we have 4, 2. Then say we have 2 points for line 2. So for example, a point C here and a point D right here. And the coordinates for C and D respectively are 1, 2 and 4, 3. To calculate the slopes, we simply use the slope formula, which is the slope m is given as the change in y divided by the change in x. So, for example, for line 1, we calculate m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, where y2 and y1 are the y values in the coordinates for b and a, respectively. So we have m1 is equal to 2 minus 1 divided by the difference in the x values, the difference between 4 and 2. So when we compute this, we get a slope of 1/2. Now we need to compute the slope for line 2. For line 2, we do the same procedure, and we're going to have, for the y, the difference in y is 3 minus 2, and we divide that by the difference in x, which is 4 minus 1. And while we get the same numerator for the slope, the denominator, we get 3. So we notice that even though line 1 and line 2 almost look parallel, looks can be deceiving, and we calculate that m1 does not equal to m2. So because the slopes associated with the two lines are not the same, the two lines are not parallel. My name is Walter Unglaub, and this is how to tell if slopes are parallel.